What's up, everybody, and welcome back. So today we are going to be making a drink that I came up with because I had this grapefruit and some lemonade. So we are going to be making, I'm going to call it Raspberry Grape Lemonade. So we have our lemonade, our raspberry, and our midnight grapes. Okay, so let's get started. So the first thing we want to do is get some grapes, preferably, well, whichever grapes you like. I like these grapes. Let me get the stem off. They are called midnight black grapes. You guys might have heard of them. So what we are going to do is just drop a couple in there, and we are going to muddle them, just so like the juices are released, and that is going to be like our grape. Cool. So once that is good and muddled, excuse me, now we are going to add our gin. So just a little bit of gin. Boom, drop that in there. We are going to add our raspberry liqueur. Drop that in there. And we are going to add our lemonade. Drop that in there, just a little splash. Our ice cube, this time it's a globe ice. Oop, there goes the splash. Drop that in there. Shake that up. You can see it's very heavy. And let's see how this looks. Wow. And there you have it. Super quick, only 3 different things for raspberry liqueur, gin, grapes, and lemonade. And there you have it, our raspberry grape lemonade.